Guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Word file into PDF. So guys, it's really simple. You just have to open your Word file. As I have this file here on my desktop, I'm going to show you how you can convert it into PDF. So I have just opened my Word file. So now you have to go to File and click on Save As. Then select the destination where you want to save the file. Then this menu opens. From here you can select PDF. So it will save your file in a PDF format. Let me show you. Here's the file. So here you can see our Word file is now converted into. Guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.